Clear a 31.13 paper jam for the HP LaserJet Enterprise printer series. A 31.13 error code on the printer control panel indicates a paper jam in the document feeder. The three error codes for this paper jam are 31.13.01, 31.13.02, and 31.13.13. Step 1. Remove jammed paper. Remove all paper from the document feeder input tray. Open the document feeder cover. Gently remove any jammed paper. Close the document feeder cover. Lift the scanner lid. Remove any paper from inside the document feeder. Close the scanner lid. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Step 2. Clean the paper feed rollers. For this step, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. Open the document feeder jam access door. Release the blue locking arm to drop the roller assembly down. Slide the roller toward the front of the printer to remove it. Dampen and strain the lint-free cloth. Clean the rollers with a dampened lint-free cloth. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to dry. Reinstall the rollers in the document feeder. Secure the blue locking arm. Close the document feeder jam access door. If the steps in this video have not helped resolve your printer issue, contact HP customer support at hp.com/go/contact HP.